Hey everybody!
Hey!
Here with Grayson, obviously,
And
at
Tay.
the warehouse. We just want to say thank you for everyone who tuned in to watch the premiere of Season 9 last Sunday.
Yeah, we had a good time. We went live after the show on Facebook, which was our first time, and it had a pretty good turnout. So we want to try to do this again.
Definitely.
Coming up this next Sunday. So how you do it, if you want to join us, is you go onto our Facebook page, like and follow us, step 1. Step 2, you just kind of show up on Facebook at about 9:30 Eastern Standard Time and watch us live.
If you're new to live videos or Facebook in general, here's how it works. Go to Facebook and search Black Dog Salvage in the top search bar. You should see a few results pop up. Click on the one with our logo. When you get to the main page, make sure you like and follow us. This way you get the newest notifications from our page when we do cool stuff. But more importantly, this is how you get notified when we go live after each episode. And if you scroll down the page a little bit, you'll see that you have the option to set a reminder for yourself so that Facebook will remind you when we go live on Sundays after the episode.
We're really excited to try this new platform. Like she said, it was a really great way to get involved.
We had some good questions asked after the show. Things got personal.
Yeah, you know, as it does, we are human. But the point, obviously, is to fill in plot gaps. You know, we can only fit so much of the footage in half an hour. So we often leave the episode with like, oh, they didn't show that, but we'd love to share that with you guys. So
what else happened? What else did we salvage?
Yeah,
How
for
do
sure.
Yeah.
Behind the scenes goodies. And the other benefit of live, if you guys are new to the platform or haven't heard of it at all, is that the comments that you leave on our live video will show up to us in real time.
Immediately, right. So we'll be able to read it as we're
it's
recording
a
the video
digital conversation.
and answer your questions live,
Right.
and give you some thanks by name.
For sure. Sunday, like she said, at 9:35
Eastern Standard Time.
After the episode, we
Tay
will
and
be
I
live.
are live.
Answering questions, talking all kinds of stuff. So
Looking forward to it, you guys. Thank you for all your support.
Thank you guys. See you then.